This is Guru Focus Market Today, your afternoon market brief for Tuesday, August 4. Here's where things stand. Palantir Technology shares soared nearly 30% after the company reported a blowout second quarter, with U.S. commercial revenue up almost 93% and a raised full-year outlook. The surge contributed to a broader rally, as the Dow Jones Industrial Average jumped 1,000 points and the S&P 500 reached a new record high. The market gains were fueled by strong earnings across sectors and renewed optimism for a potential deal to reopen the Strait of Hormuz.
Turning now to the energy sector, major oil companies, including ExxonMobil and Chevron, posted a combined $93 billion in second quarter profits, driven by surging crude prices as the Strait of Hormuz remains closed due to ongoing conflict with Iran. President Donald Trump publicly criticized ExxonMobil and Chevron for earning record profits during the Iran war, urging them to cut fuel prices in response to consumer pressure. Staying with corporate earnings, Advanced Micro Devices reported record second quarter revenue of $11.5 billion, up 50%.
Another story we're watching is the strong performance from Novo Nordisk, which beat second quarter earnings expectations and raised its full-year outlook. The results were driven by robust demand for its Wegovy weight loss pill in the United States, reinforcing the company's leadership in the obesity treatment market. Meanwhile, SanDisk and SK Hynix stocks rose after the companies jointly launched the HBF memory standard, enabling GPUs to access terabytes of extra memory. The announcement prompted Wall Street to raise price targets for both firms, reflecting optimism about the standard's impact on AI and data center applications. Also making news today, Procter & Gamble announced a $3.8 billion deal to acquire Thorne, a leading supplements brand. The acquisition will expand P&G's healthcare portfolio and strengthen its presence in the fast-growing wellness market. On the automotive front, Ford Motor Company reported a 10.2% year-over-year decline in July U.S. sales, citing the discontinuation of the Escape model and ongoing inventory constraints for its F-Series trucks. Turning to the restaurant sector, Chipotle Mexican Grill shares declined after the company pulled jalapenos from some Minnesota locations amid a state investigation into a salmonella outbreak. The move follows reports linking the chain to a broader food safety incident in the region. In financial sector news, major Wall Street banks are expanding operations in Texas, attracted by the state's business-friendly policies and a growing financial sector presence. The trend reflects a broader shift of financial jobs and capital to the region. Elsewhere, McDonald's reported strong second quarter profit, but noted slower U.S. sales growth, appointing a new head of its U.S. market amid signs of cautious consumer spending. Turning to the legal front, a federal judge has scheduled the antitrust trial between Paramount Global and Warner Bros. Discovery for March 2027, setting the stage for a major legal battle in the media industry. Finally, Northwestern Memorial, Rush University Medical Center, and all three Mayo Clinic campuses were named among the best hospitals in the United States by U.S. News and World Report, highlighting continued excellence in the nation's healthcare sector. That wraps up today's market update. We'll be back soon with the latest market news. Thanks for listening to the Guru Focus Brief.